Hello friends, today we will discuss 15 economics MCQs for BPSC, economics and other competitive examinations. First is how many departments are covered under the Human Development Submission in Bihar? Answer is options are A6, B7, C8 and D10. Answer is B7. Second question, the best index of economic development by options are A, growth in national income at current prices, B, growth in per capita real income from year to year, option C, growth in savings ratio, options D, improvement in balance of payment position. Answer is B, that is growth in per capita real income from year to year. Question number 3. In the recent union budget, the FDI limit in insurance sector was increased to options are A 50%, B 62%, C 74% and D 100%. Answer is C 74%. Fourth question number is bank rate refers to the options are A interest rate charged, B interest rate charged by money lenders, B interest rate charged by scheduled banks, C rate of profit of banking institutions, D official rate of interest charged by the central bank. Answer is D official rate of interest charged by the central bank. Question number 5. Which committee was constituted by Government of India to boost cashless transaction? Options are A. Nachiket Mode Committee, B. Shanta Kumar Committee, C. H.R. Khan Committee, D. Neeraj Kumar Gupta Committee. Answer is D. Neeraj Kumar Gupta Committee. Question number 6. Which bond allows Indian entities to raise foreign funds in rupees, not foreign currency? Options are A. Corporate bonds, B. Masala bonds, C. Municipal bonds and D. Zero coupon bonds. Answer is B. Masala bonds. 7th, which Indian commercial bank is among the top 100 global banks? A. ICICI Bank, B. State Bank of India, C. HDFC Bank and D. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Answer is B. State Bank of India. Question number 8. The capability approach is attributed to A. Basic needs approach, B. Capability approach, C. Income approach, D. Welfare approach. Answer is B. Capability approach. Question number 9. The lowest per capita income at current price says among Indian state is in options are A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Odisha and D. Nagaland. Answer is A. Bihar. Question number 10. Globalization does not include. Options are A. Reduction in import duties, B. Abolition of import licensing, C. Free flow of FDI, D. Disinvestment of public sector equity. Answer is D. Disinvestment of public sector equity. Question number 11. Which sector attracts the highest FDI, foreign direct investment equity flow in India? Options are A. Construction, B. Energy, C. Automobile and D. Services. Answer is D. Services. Question number 12. Which is the apex bank for agricultural refinance in India? Options are A. RBI, B. NABARD, C. SBI and D. Imperial Bank. Answer is B. NABARD. Question number 13. The government policy Make in India aims at. Options are A. Removal of bureaucratic sloth, B. Elimination of red taping, C. Reduction in the cost of manufacturing, D. Making competitive products. Option is and E is the option. E is also here one option which says none of the above. So answer is none of the above. Question number 14. During the 12th 5-year plan, the tagged average annual growth of agriculture and allied sector was. Options are A 3%, B 3.5%, C 4% and D 4.5%. Answer is C 4%. Question number 15. The term Hindu rate of growth refers to the rate of growth of. Options are A. Money supply, B. GDP, C. Population and D. GNP. Answer is B. GDP.